With this Seesaw video, we are going to be talking about two more reasons of why Seesaw is a great tool for use in the classroom. The first reason that we are going to be talking about is how journals are accessible through different folders and skills. And our second reason that we'll be talking about later in the video is how deeper thinking is encouraged for students. So we're going to take a look at how journals are accessible through different folders and skills. And this is a great reason to use Seesaw. This is a screenshot of what some folders look like, and these can be created by teachers, and they can you can create any folder that you would like. I'm going to show you where my folders are, and these are folders that I have used or chosen to use. I use a lot of them for different essential skills, focusing on our different learning objectives throughout each month. I then also have chosen to use different colors and different icons for my kindergarten students to be able to allow them to pick the folder that they need to use. This, to have folders, is a great resource because then I'm just able to go in if I want to look at things that are in my math. I can then see just everything that's related to math. This was a Skittles graph that we did, and those are every single student's, and I'm not having to go back through and try to find everyone's, and then it continues on with different things that we have done. And then the other view that teachers are able to use is the skills view. And with the skills view, it is able to take those essential skills that I was just talking about and places them into different things. And as you can see, this is my Seesaw that I've created. And the reason that I love the skills view is that I can upload a piece of work that my students have created, and then I'm able to see how many things have been uploaded for the Edition January skill and what color they are. If they are a dark green, they are getting that skill. A light green would be that they're very close to being proficient. A yellow would mean that they still need some work. Then there is also a red showing that the student does not understand the topic at hand. And then I'm able, if I wanted to click on this, I'm able to see those different artifacts for addition and how that student has demonstrated those skills. And then our second reason for using Seesaw in this video is that deeper learning is encouraged. A lot of times we are wanting to be able to show our students that they can think outside of the box, and that we want our parents to also see what their student is capable of. Here's an example from one of my students, and the prompt was, there were 10 feet at the beach. And with this one, I created the sand and the sky, and then the students added more onto it. So this student chose to do 4 people. That would make 8 legs. And then he did 2 snails. So that would be 2 legs. So 8 plus 2 would then be 10 feet at the beach. This is exciting for me because I'm able to put it in that folder that we just talked about. I'm able to see if a parent has seen it, and I'm also able to comment on it and say that I really loved how this student was thinking outside of the box on this one, because this did relate to a book and how they were able to take what they learned from the book and apply it to their own thinking. So once again, these were 2 different reasons of why to use Seesaw. First one was that journals are accessible through different folders and skills, and that deeper thinking is encouraged for students.